So I'm just in the neighbour's house this week, just doing some bits and pieces. I'm in a room that I skimmed out a few weeks ago now, and I've just put a coat of paint all over it, and now it's skirting and architrave time. So let's just show you what's going on. So skirting's got to go on around here, bit of architrave up there, and then just to decorate really. So let's get on with that. So first thing to do is get this architrave up, and I can work from that with skirtings. Got a little remote control for this today. I didn't realise it was on the stand, so it's pretty cool, isn't it? Anyway, so let's get this with architrave on here. I plastered this room out a while ago, a few weeks ago, and they bought silk paint for the walls. And I haven't used silk paint on anything for a long while, and it really does highlight everything, doesn't it? It's not something I'd ever choose. I would never choose silk personally, but I think they're having wardrobes built along this wall, so fingers crossed. I will give it a bit of a rub down anyway, but anyway, for now we're on the woodwork, so let's get on with that. Right, all the skirtings are on in this room. Just got a couple of sort of wooden wedges, just wedging a couple of bits back. One there, one there. Just filled all the tops of the skirtings, nothing too major. And then some of the walls where I've plastered, I used the mesh. I embedded the mesh in a couple of bits of this wall. It was terrible, this wall, and it all looks right when it's plastered, but when you start painting, there was a little bit come through, so I just face filled all that. So not much to show today really, just more of the same tomorrow, more decorating, give all this a rub down, and crack on. Paint the ceiling again, that just had a couple of sprays. It's just all, you can see the sort of bit looks patchy where it's just had a mist coat, 2 sprays of a mist coat, but I'll put a proper full coat on there with a roller tomorrow. And then paint these walls. That's it for today. Not much to show, but I shall show the rest of it as we go.